be tested. And out of these tests, trials, tribulations, failures, successes, your greatest self will evolve. Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about if you're not living your purpose. So grab your paper and pen and let's get started. You were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self and to live your purpose and do it courageously. Steve Maraboli. Let me repeat that. You were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose and to do it courageously. Now let's dissect that for a minute. He says you were put on this purpose to achieve your greatest self. Now in living in alignment to your purpose, it will help you achieve your greatest self or live your greatest self or come to know what your greatest self is, meaning that there will be tests. You will be tested. And out of these tests, trials, tribulations, failures, successes, your greatest self will evolve. You know, sometimes we think that when we do something and it doesn't work out accordingly, or we feel like we failed in some way, there is a gift in that. There is something to be learned from that experience. Even though you may be disappointed or you had a strong desire for a different outcome, there is a gift. Because in that, it's step by step, day by day, minute by minute, you are achieving your greatest self. And the second part is, he says, to live out your purpose. Now, you know, I've shared in my previous videos and videos before about living out your purpose, about being in alignment to your soul's purpose, about why you have a purpose to begin with. We all have a purpose. And it's your responsibility to get clear on what your purpose is. You were here, you were put on this earth to live out your purpose, meaning you have an intrinsic purpose to live out. You're just not here for just existing, taking up space. You are here for a purpose. You are here to live out your purpose. Are you living out your purpose? Do you even have clarity on what your purpose is? And finally, to do it courageously. Well, what that implies is, like I said to the first part of this, is that there's going to be challenges. There's going to be situations that may take you off your game. There's going to be times when all you can do is just cry. You may be disappointed. But there's also going to be times where it's going to be rewarding and fulfilling and magical and abundant and all the juicy, yummy things and experiences that you will have. And in spite of everything, you will do it courageously and boldly and confidently. Most days. Because some days you may have an off day and that's okay. But you will do it courageously. Courage to do the thing that you know that you're called to do, that you're meant to do, and that you should do, even though you may have fear. You do it anyways. That's what courage is. You have fear, but you do the thing anyways. So let me repeat what he said. You were put here on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose, and to do it courageously. Let me say that again. You were put here on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose, and to do it courageously. I hope that this short video has been of value to you. Please share it with someone. If you know someone who is not sure what their purpose is, don't have clarity, who seem to be lost, with no direction in life, no sense of knowing what they want to do or should be doing with their life, share this video with them. And if you yourself need deeper support, click the link below. Let's jump on a call. I can help you get clear on your purpose. I can help you monetize your purpose by creating a premium offer, product, or service where you can offer to the world and be deeply and divinely be compensated while facilitating transformation and offering value that only you offering value in a way that only you can to those individuals that you're meant to serve. And as always, if you haven't joined the family yet, join the family by subscribing. I'd love for you to be a part of this vortex. Finally, until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.